Hello friends, this is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and today I'm going to show you how to make a easy kid-friendly cleaning spray. I already have a cup of water in this spray bottle. It's preferable if you use glass, but for this video I'm using plastic to show you. So I have 1 cup of water in here already. And then I have essential oils here. I have orange and I have lime. You can also use lemon. I used up all my lemon, so I'm using lime. And then I have a few drops left of this is a all-purpose cleaner, but you can use natural dish detergent or natural liquid soap or whatever. This is natural, so it counts. So I'm going to do 15 drops of the essential oil. That was orange. Now this is lime. And then you want a few drops of your natural dish detergent. It's just the last in the bottle, so I'm just going to drain that out there. So after you have all your ingredients, give it a good shake, and then you can let your child clean up without having to worry about harmful chemicals. And that is all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have fun cleaning with your kids. Bye.